Hi, I'm Lucy Marvellous from Fresher Bites, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy chicken curry. I like to start off with our onions, got a pointy bit and a rooty bit. The root is the bit that makes us cry. We're going to try and keep that as intact as possible. I like to put all my rubbish in a pot so it's easy to get rid of. Just going to cut the pointy bit off with a good claw grip. In a bridge hold. And peel off the peel and any fine membrane. Okay, so with the tip of our knife we want to go down near to the root but not all the way to the root. Keep the root intact, cut little slices and a claw grip and making these into little pieces. You've got to think in your curry you don't want great big chunks. If it starts moving around like that, go back to your bridge hold. Really hold it safely, that's what's going to make the cutting safe. And then chop that away. So point of the knife, bridge hold, claw grip, bridge hold again, cut the edges off. Cut my garlic in half, but I'm leaving the peel on because then when I use the crusher it's easier to take out whatever hasn't crushed. Next job, I need the gas on, bit of olive oil, put my onions in, start cooking. I've got this cloth here to stop the board moving around. The top chefs do it. Next, mushrooms. My recipe says quarter them, but they're really big and I don't want huge amounts of mushroom in my curry, so I'm going to cut them smaller than quarters. I'm actually going to slice and then go back again so we end up with cubes with nice big mushrooms. So claw. Actually go both ways, so end up with smaller cubes. Spoon, keep that moving around. My cookery teacher told me to put your hand on top of the handle and push down. It makes it safer. 200 grams looks like a lot of mushrooms, but they cook down. Okay, there's our mushrooms ready. Now that my onions have made a start, I'm going to add my garlic. I like to cook the garlic a little less than the onions so that it doesn't burn. It's a really plumptious garlic there. And you see when I pull the skin, all of it's come out. It's a lot easier to clean. I think you know I'm not keen on washing up. If you don't have a crusher, just cut it finely, minding your fingers, using a good bridge hold. And you can always carry on just chopping it on the board. It's got pretty much everything out. Shame you haven't got smell-o-vision, it smells great. Mushrooms in. Let those cook down a little bit. Meanwhile we can make our stock. This is 350 millilitres of water from a hot kettle. I've got OXO. It says on the packet it makes 190 millilitres per cube, so I'm going to use 2. Seems a lot, so that's what it says. You could use a tin of coconut milk instead of stock, which is really tasty. Let those fry off for about 5 minutes. They look like this, and you want to sweat them down so they're a lot smaller. You can see that the mushrooms are really reduced down. I've got out a little bit of lovely juice. We're now going to add the curry paste. I use Patak's medium because it's really tasty, and although it's a bit of a cheat using a jar, it really is just spices and oil. So a couple of good tablespoons of this. The smell is quite strong. The taste is delicious. We now need to fry this off. We need to cook it for a couple of minutes to get those spices really activated. It looks like this right now. We're just going to fry it off. It smells beautiful. It's a slight vinegary smell that we would like to get rid of ideally. Here's my chicken. I've got 2 plumptious breasts from the butcher that I have diced myself, but you can buy ready prepared chicken. This is about 350 grams, which really is plenty. You don't really need this much, but that's what we've got. You want to put that into the mixture and really coat it all so that the flavour goes into the chicken. So now we are coating this chicken in the spice mixture, but also you can see how it's going from translucent to white. That is sealing in the chicken flavour at the same time. Keep stirring that. And you can see the mushrooms have virtually disappeared. You still get the lovely flavour. Now I'm adding stock. You could add coconut milk if you have some. It really is delicious with coconut milk. It's pretty good with stock too. Pour that in. So just cover the chicken. Bring that nicely to the boil. Pop the lid on. Turn the gas down to a simmer. Leave that to cook for 20 minutes. To make sure that the chicken's cooked straight through. I've set my timer for 20 minutes so I can go and do something else while my chicken curry simmers away, or I could put the rice on. There's our 20-minute timer. I've popped this onto a lower gas because it was boiling furiously. You can see that the chicken's nicely cooked. It's quite a wet curry, but that'll be lovely with a bit of rice to soak up all the sauce. Once you've cooked something, please pop over to Facebook, let me know how you've got on, maybe show me a photo of what you made, or if while you're cooking you've got any questions, pop over to Facebook, Fresher Bites, ask me a question. There's a very good chance I'll be online and I can answer your question, or there might be someone else in the group who can answer your question too. Don't cook alone, and most of all, happy cooking!